Okay, I'm doing section 4.4, page 185, number 4C. The instructions are express the value of x in terms of logs. So, before we can add logs to this, what we have to do is get rid of this 9, or more like deal with this 9. So, if we divide both sides by 9, we can do 3 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 9 equals 10 to the power of x. Now we can add logs in front of each. And so that we can deal with this later, it would be easiest if we change the 9 into 3 to the power of 2. So that we'll have the same base. So 3x minus 1 over 3 to the power of 2 is the same thing as saying over 9 equals log 10 to the power of x. Now, what we can do is we can, using our exponent rules, what we can do is change that into log. So since we have the same, so let's just write that again. Since we have the same base here and here, when we're dividing, we can just subtract exponents. So x minus 1 minus 2 is the same thing as saying x minus 3 equals log 10 to the power of x. So now we can roll down both of those exponents. So x minus 3. We have to put this in brackets because it applies to the whole entire log. So equals times log 3 equals x log 10. So now that if we multiply this in, it's going to be at x log 3 minus 3 log 3 equals x log 10. So now, since by the end we want to get x by itself, we're going to put this log over to this side, so we have all the x's together, and move this one to this side. So this stays here, x log 3. Moving this over, it's going to be minus x log 10 equals, now we're going to move this over here, so it's going to become positive 3 log 3. So now what we can do is we can take out an x from both of these. So that will become x log 3 minus log 10 equals, okay, so now we don't want any numbers in front of the log because these both have 1's in front of it. So to get rid of the 3, we can roll it back up to make it log 3 squared. 3 cubed, sorry. Okay. Just gonna move this up here. So now that we have the x factored out, we can move everything to this side except for the x. So we're equating it to x. So x equals log 3 squared over log 3 minus log 10. So log 3 squared is the same as log 27. Oh, sorry, not 3 squared, 3 cubed. So 3 cubed is 27, log 27. And now, using the quotient rule, since this is subtract and they have the same base of 10, we can rewrite this as log 3 divided by 10. Okay. So now we can do the change of base rule, and we'll be doing it backwards almost to make it in the most simplified form. So this is, we could simplify this even more by doing x equals log, so the log on the bottom, that will become our new base. So log 3 over 10, and now this, we're keeping this, so it's going to be log 3 over 10, 27. And that is